You may not know why, but you better thank Boys to Men for this pair. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Jordan 11 Prom Night. Now, to me, this shoe has a couple of inspirations. You have inspirations drawing from the Blackout sample of the Jordan 11 that we first saw as far back as 2010, which was an all-black shoe with a blacked out outsole as well. And that's actually what we thought this shoe was going to be when we first saw it. Also, it has kind of like the outsole of the Gamma Blue Jordan 11. After Jordan Brand saw how well that did, I guess that's why they kind of changed the outsole. And lastly, Boys to Men, which a lot of people don't know, they were the first to wear a Jordan 11 with a tuxedo. And I assume that's kind of like where the inspiration is drawn from, because in my opinion, I don't really think that people were wearing tuxedos with Jordans, but I don't think that any pair would have gone with a suit as well as the Jordan 11 did. In my opinion, you could also probably get away with the 16, 17, 18, and 19 simply because of their design aesthetics. Now let's take a look at the box. The box is a standard Jordan 11 box, and it's got the Jordan Jumpman on the bottom along with the 2-3 graphic and the black on black design. Also, since it is a standard Jordan 11 box, it's a slide out box. And the little slide out cover, the plastic cover, is also black on, well, kind of white, but it's clear and translucent. And the colorway, if you couldn't have guessed, is black on black on black. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe is a all blacked out shoe. You have the black patent leather mudguard with the suede upper. And the suede on here is solid. It's not anything special. It's definitely not as good as the Cool Gray 11 Low or the Jordan Jeter. Moving towards the tongue, you have the black suede tongue with the Jumpman Jordan logo on the third line and the blacked out Jumpman logo as well. Also, you've got blacked out rope laces, and these laces actually feel really nice. I don't know what it is, but these laces do feel different in comparison to a standard pair of Jordan 11 laces. It feels a little bit softer. The insole is black with a gray Jumpman logo. Also, you've got a black plastic shoe tree. Moving towards the heel, you've got the suede base with the patent leather mudguard and the Jumpman logo right by the ankle in black as well. On the heel, you've got the black patent leather with the blacked out heel, and the 23 logo is also blacked out as well. The medial is the same as the lateral, save for the Jumpman logo on the ankle collar. So you got the black patent leather mudguard and the black suede upper. The shoe utilizes a black Phylon midsole with the black carbon fiber shank plate, and the shoe sits on a icy translucent outsole with black pods on the forefoot and heel. Overall, this is one of those pairs that I'm really just whatever about. I would have preferred the blackout pair because if you're wearing jeans, this shoe basically looks like a Gamma pair, except for the tongue tag would be a little bit different. But for the most part, this would be a Gamma pair if you're wearing jeans. So I would have preferred the icy translucent outsole or the gum style translucent outsole over the icy translucent outsole. However, if you are getting ready for prom, which this is prom season, this definitely does fit in with the theme. And it's one of those shoes that people aren't gonna really question you about if you're wearing it. More so, you might get more compliments about it because it's one of those Jordan 11s that you can do so. Or if you're one of those juniors, wait it out, get the Concords, and then stunt in your prom next year, because I feel like that would be a bigger head turner than the Prom Night is. I'm also not a fan of the price tag. $250, that is insane for this shoe. But that's the premium that Jordan Brand is asking for with this Prom Night colorway. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.